Hello everybody, my name's Steve, I'm the British Railroader, and welcome to this episode of the channel that originally I was never going to make. So most of you that have followed the channel for some time will know that last year myself and Mrs. British Railroader flew off to the Caribbean to get some winter sun, and whilst we were in Barbados I visited the St Nicholas Abbey Heritage Railway. So this is a 2-foot 6-inch gauge railway that's been built at the St Nicholas Abbey sugar plantation where they make rum. It's not part of the original Barbados Railway. The original Barbados Railway closed in the 1930s, and there'd been no railways on the island until the St Nicholas Abbey Heritage Railway was built. I think it was about 2018, 2019. So when we went back this January, we decided to go and visit because my birthday falls at around that time. So we decided to go back for a visit, and I was just going to take some photos and maybe just a little footage just for myself. But when I got there, we realized that they had completed an extension that they were talking about. So this extension is over 2 kilometers of extra track. So what happens is the train ride does the original loop up to Cherry Tree Hill, where you get some amazing views. And then it goes back down to the main station, loops around again, then goes up a different branch where it goes over a wonderfully beautiful new bridge that they've built, and then into this new section where you get some other views across the island. So whilst I was there, I took footage of the entire run all the way up the new section. So what I decided to do was when I got back, I would edit it all together into a video. So this video is very much in 2 parts. The first part is some footage from the original route as we did it this year. So there might be a little bit of plinky plonky music, as people call it, just over that part. But then what I'll do is when we get to the new branch, I will just put the footage on there and you can watch it, listen to it, see it, warts and all. With no commentary, etc. Just be advised that obviously this literally opened about 2 weeks before I went on it, and it is still very much, it looks like it's just been quarried out, so it's a very new section of railway. What they're saying is that hopefully over the next couple of years it will grow over again, the monkeys will come back and start, you know, waving to people on the train, etc. So you never know, watch out, in a couple of years time there may be yet another video. But enough from me, let's get over to the video and I hope you enjoy.
Well done.
Again, that officially welcome on board Jeffer number 5. Jeffer was built in 1914 on farms of Ireland, in Germany. And most of us was about in Louisiana, Paris, so the number one was He was a friend of Barbados and of Simon the Older Son, a naturalist, industrialist, and pioneer in the field of forestry. Now he was died last year in May, and the very happy dedicated to him. Ladies and gentlemen, we're now on the Heartbridge. Now the Iraq to eventually settled in Barbados in 700 because of its coral reefs, lack of dense green forests, fertile soil, and abundance of serves as a pathway linking to the rest of the island. There are many artifacts now on display around from here, including the Great House. So we're now proceeding on to just over 100 acres of Berry Hill and Highland View. Work was done in less than a year. Building of the bridge and laying of the track as well. Much more development to come, but we're really excited for the future of Central Coast Abbey Community. Now these views will one day capture the main supporting our distillery on a rate of rotational basis, the pre-production and the beer industry. We will then use the solid using the demonstrated rail line between the running on and it will be fully integrated also with implementation of the further exploring the as that cost plantation is the first unrivaled station in Barbados. With the results of the UK, that is all our experience and run wild and free. They're not controlled at all. And there are hundreds of them in Barbados, for sure. But sometimes we spot them in the trees over here. But I'm not seeing any right now. But they're actually quite close to the Barbados Wildlife Reserve. So they too feed them as well. So they may be over on that side. And I'm not seeing any right now. You will be surprised that they're actually looking at us and they're not free enough. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're now approaching the Coral Cliff Gorge. And this gorge was cut down 35 feet to get the correct grading for the railway. Now, a gorge is a deep, narrow valley with very steep sides, usually where a river passes through mountains. In this case, it was the area 35 feet. Up down to the red light. So then the gentleman wanted to the color is gold. Why that stone looks so white because it's coral stone. Gives you an idea of how it was back then, because it's actually quite steep up here. Here, it's just actually steeper than the original building. That's originally a way. That was a contact way. That was 133. So now we can see the history of our building. 140. So we're actually coming back up to the key of our beginning. So because we're expecting beautiful view of the southern side of the island. And if you take a look back on your attention map in the corner, when we pass the hedge, you will see a building in the tree that is the Barbados. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you take a quick look back on your left hand side, you should be seeing that building in the distance next. Through the trees, that is the Barbados line, the road that we can see. stability, drainage, and support to the railway track. Access West River Still will be used to restore the historic Park Road, which serves the plantation field. This can be seen below on the left of the golf course of this valley crossing that we're about to cross is the second best turn and the deepest most dramatic crossing on the railway line. We can also see on the left the large field and the view of the distance of the majestic white palm trees. This is a continuation of Cherry Tree Avenue and the ancient valley Iraq to the west coast and beyond. Remember the Iraq and the indigenous area first, around 700 AD, then the Portuguese came after the English won Barbados, which represented one of the proudest of various histories here. And also as well after the English came to the network workers. There was mentorship over about 5 to 7 years, many of the workers came over Ireland, over Scotland, and some of them even spent there before. That was our business, but we can call it a tobacco. But many of the things allowed for the 5 to 7 years because we're working on the really harsh working conditions and we were coming from they wanted to travel their first for the 100 years. So that was when the Africans were brought in there. So passengers, the train has now done a full move. How was it? Yes? Alright, so much fun better than the car. So we are now returning to the bridge. Remember the Barbados constructed entirely of every section of graphite steel and fabricated in the city. The foundation is poured into piercing with over 1,200 tons of reinforced concrete to resist earthquakes. That was a little bit about the bridge, the Abbey bridge that we now So remember, we have now traversed over 100 acres of property and 2 kilometers of track. So we want to take this opportunity, passengers, to thank you for your interest in coming and touring and remember, so much development more to come. Sugarcane fields will be out here. Also, everything here as well in the street. And also as well, we will be building an eco-offering culture principle as well. So as we go over the bridge, we're going to make a quick stop so that I can switch that. The next train out to Cherry Tree. To the Arthur Bridge. And as we clear this little hedge here on the right, and you can actually see on the right as well. The track leads to Arthur.
Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, why don't you hit that subscribe button, and when the bell comes up, click it, press all, and you will be advised of all of my videos as they come out. If you have any comments or questions, you can either post them below or you can send them to me direct to this email address just here. Now, YouTube are going to suggest a video for you to watch. Go and have a look at it if you haven't seen it already. If you haven't seen my original St Nicholas Abbey Railway video, I will put a link in the description. But that's it from me. My name's Steve, I'm the British Railroader, and I'm saying goodbye from my model railroad. Bye bye.